breathtaking. I just don't know. 'Cause after all this time, you're still on my mind. Oh, I'll never forget you, baby. Oh,
Alright, what's good everyone? So today we're going to be checking out Goldstrike Canyon, a popular trail near the Las Vegas area which offers incredible views of the Colorado River as well as many places to explore, including hot springs, caves, and canyons. With that being said, this is a very strenuous trail, so here's a couple of things you should know prior to heading up this trail. So, let's do it. Alright, so you will be coming across some ropes along this trail. Always make sure these ropes are secure before grabbing onto them.
A lot of work.
We'll see what happens. It's hot. It's been really hot. But we should be more than halfway there now, so. Let's do it.
It looks like a canyon.
Yeah, we're walking on cloud nine. Yeah, we're walking on cloud nine.
We'll see what happens. We're gonna keep checking this place out, and I'm gonna switch you guys over to some B-roll. So go ahead and enjoy it.
It's breathtaking. I just don't know.
See how deep it is. See how deep it is first. Elvis just going for it, bro. He's not good. That's about to get waist deep real quick. That doesn't look that bad.
I ain't going in. You're crazy.
No knee height.
Is it hot? Like it's cold as shit. Oh no. Made it.
He made it. Something, man. Elvis, okay? This motherfucker Elvis, bro. Gotta come in here trekking through this goddamn lake. You gotta be ready to have some fun, you know? So you gotta be ready to have some fun out here. Cause it's like, if you're coming out here just to go on a casual little walk, it's not with it.
Don't forget to bring the good.
Facts. Oh, it's a pretty crazy spot we got here.
It's cool. I found it, though, huh?
A random ass pool, bro.
Yeah. Sauce. Wanna go first?
Is it hot?
No, man. My phone's out of battery.
Oh, bro, what the fuck are we doing right now? I don't know. Oh, dude, this is weird. Oh, dude, this is weird.
I'm waiting for y'all. Let me know what's up.
Oh, it's chill. It's just like warm. It's like a cave of water. Dude, this is insane. Let me make sure I got shit in my pocket so it's not gonna get wet. It's like legit just a pool of water. It's pretty warm back here. It's only knee deep. You're alright.
No, we're good.
Dude, what the shit? It gets so dark. Dude, it's so dark. Alright, just so you guys understand, we're in a knee deep pool of water. Oh, it's getting lower. It's getting lower. It's getting like ankle deep now as it gets hotter. Dude, it's so hot. So, Elvis, turn around real quick so I can see the light. Dude, it's so fucking hot in here. Look at this pool of water. Dude, it's so hot. It's so hot. Oh my fucking God, it's hot in here. Shelton's just sitting outside. What are we doing in here right now? What the shit is going on? Dude, this is a goddamn adventure. Okay, so this is where the water comes in, I guess. Hit it with a little light. Oh, that's where the water comes up from the bottom of the earth. Yeah, look at that. Hit that light right there. Oh, that's crazy. All right, I guess we go back. There's not much else to see. It's just mineral deposits. This is crazy as shit. Ooh. Holy shit, dude, that was crazy. Shelton's like, F y'all.
We're having to go first, yo.
I know, right? Dude, it's so hot back here.
Yeah, y'all can have that. Y'all can have that.
Dude, it's so warm back there. What's up, buddy? How we doing? Yeah, just going for a little swim? Just hanging out? Cool. No, it was just like a pool of water, and then the water starts getting lower and lower, and then all of a sudden it just leads you to like this weird mineral deposit at the end. Dude, that was fucking insane.
Oh,